In addition to being more sustainable and durable, cork underlayments are much easier and faster to install than 100% foam underlayments. We tested both during the installation process, eliminating any doubt. We started by laying out the cork underlayment rolls covering the entire surface and joining them together with adhesive tape. For the foam underlayment, we need to use a different method. We will have to cover small areas at a time, always alternating with the installation of the final floor. Now that everything is covered with a cork underlayment, we can work without any worries. During the foam underlayment installation process, it is always necessary to use a floorboard to distribute the weight. Otherwise, there is a risk of deforming the foam with footprints or knee marks. Once deformed, it must be replaced. The floor installation with cork underlayment is in the final stretch. The foam underlayment will have to be replaced due to the footprints. We've managed to finalize the cork underlayment installation, while application of the foam underlayment is still ongoing. Cork underlayment, fast and worry-free installation.